Hold on. Tight and well, but far. DJ, let it flow. If you tire finish, he go stand up, we'll see him. Say you tire. Again. This guy is a segment for another. The tire going the leg. Now, my guy never come out to wait there. See what he go do for him now. He go sit down. He go sit down. Or you take that cloth. Cover what you buy. Take that cloth. DJ don't play anything. Don't play anything. Or you cover that. Cover that. Or you come out from there. Never go away. I go command the clothes. Command the clothes. Command the sharp sharp. Enhance in the diable. Cover them again. Cover them again. I sit down. Sit down, baby. Cover them. Cover them. Cover them. I be one retire. You want? Another person one time. Who won't tie again? Oh yeah, open her first. Oh yeah, loser. DJ play music. Somebody say, he go tire, use a old cloth. Come, bring clothes. Somebody give me rope. Use a hookah. Use a hookah. Put down, use the same hookah. Hookah, use a hookah. Hookah, go. Oh yeah, wait. Wait the money. Wait the money. Wait the money. Wait. Now POS they use. Oh. Where the money? Well, give me. Come out of your clothes. Come out from here. Come out from that side. Oh yeah, come out of your clothes. Versace, I agree. Oh yeah, come out here. Oh You say? You want the check. How much you want to put chairman?
Come on, bigger.
Bring the money out.
Wait, let me. Okay, now your best. Use your own bed. Use your own cover. Go to the cap.
Come for this one. Over the hand. Necklace now. You put the necklace for a nose, and the thing will come out for a mouth. Thank you very much. I beg, clap for this guy now.
Upurublos, Igwe Jenga.